Hi everybody, Robert here with more Revit Training, and today we're going to work on our cover sheet for our project that we've been working on. And this is the project. This is the commercial building we had here. This is a mixed use, so that's what it's going to be called, mixed use commercial building, where we have office space in the front and apartments in the back. So as we go here, let's go into our cover sheet. I've selected one of my, let's see, we just took this sheet here, and I've got some text already in here placed and some things I copied from other sheets. So first of all, we might want to bring in our title block. We got a title block here, and we're going to use this to match the other sheets because we don't have a board over it. So hey, anybody wants to subscribe to this channel, please subscribe. Helps me make videos like this. So the first thing we did here, we want to go and bring in our sheet list here. And I'm going to just drag and drop that right there. So these are all of the sheets that we have in this project at the moment. And then we can edit this and we can make some adjustments and changes here. In this one, I might want to go to my fields, and I might want to take out the author because I don't have any here, and that's just taking up space. So I'm going to go drawn by, and I'm going to move that out. And I'm going to apply and OK. And then I want to go back into my cover sheet. So that should be updated now. Okay, so now we've got text that we've added here. And it's just a matter of adding text. I copied some text from another projects, but text is pretty simple. We just go to Annotate tab, and we go to Text, and here we can place our text here. And this is 1/8 inch, so I'll go XXXX, and then we can change the size by selecting it, edit type, and we could duplicate it, or we can select these different sizes that we have already in the project. We got 10 millimeters bold and whatever, so forth and so forth. So that's pretty much straight and explanatory. And then we can go bold and we could go underlined and whatever. Just for instance, this right here is, if I select this, edit type, we've got bold and underlined here. So I'm going to cancel that out. Okay, so we've got that. So I'm going to delete this over here as well. Now, this project, we want to go in and we did some renderings here. And we placed them in our project. I'm sure you've seen that early on in the project. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to go down to my renderings. And this one here, this was the exterior of the building. We move that over there so we can see here. And here in the render properties, that's the rendering. And you want to close that and then go back into my cover sheet. So I want to drag and drop that rendering into this view. So this is the one. We'll drag and drop it. We'll select it right there. And then we'll just smooth this over, make some adjustments here. And then I want to select it, and I don't want a title here, so I select edit type, and then I'll go no extension line, and then I'll go no title. I'll say no here. Apply, okay. Now we had other views, images that we use in our render gallery. So in the render gallery, you get views done in the cloud. So here, if I go to my view, and I go to cloud rendering and render gallery, right here, well, I've got it already open up here. So here's my render gallery, and there's that image there that I selected out of it. And if I go back here, I have several images that we did in the gallery that we might want to think about using here. Say that one, or even this one. But I'm going to go with the one we did in Revit. So I'm going to go and select that view. So that one has to be insert. It has to be imported image. So there it is right there for the interior. I'm going to go open, and we'll place that right there. And then to adjust it, we can pull it out by the little pull dots here. Actually, might want to make it a little bit smaller. We want to do this one for, in this one, we want to activate the view, select it, and just pull it like that. Same with this one. You want to deactivate this view. Again, this is an imported image, so we just slide it here and move it up like so. So now here we want to go in and do our locality plan. So here, this has come from Google Earth, and I might want to put this up in the left-hand corner. So I'll set it there, and then I'll go and just add some text here. So I'm going to go annotate text, and I want to go site here. We might want to go a little bigger here, so we go and do our edit type here. Okay, cancel that. I'm going to place this first. Let's go site. Okay, and then we might want to select it and edit the type and grab one of these others. Say let's make this a 1/4-inch arrow. Go okay, and then I might want to pull this over here. Oh, sorry. I might want to pull this over and select it and do an arrow. And there's my site. Where is it at? There's the site. Yeah, that's it right there. So that's pretty much how you set up your cover sheet. And then you have a project directory here. I might want to change this information because it's no longer relevant. That's not my address anymore. I'm going to be the architect and interior designer, and I want to use the website. If you don't know it, this is it. All lowercase or uppercase, it doesn't matter. inc.com. And I might want to delete that out and delete that out and just move this over here. Actually, I want to move all this. And then this is just relevant information to the project. And then over here, more relevant information, code compliance here, code information, or whatever is required in your area, locality. So that's how you would do your cover sheet and anything else you want to put in here. So hey guys, thanks for watching the video. Please subscribe. And this stuff's going to change because we don't need a structural engineer. This is probably going to be electrician or whatever. So anyway, I'm going to leave it there. Thank you for watching the video. Please subscribe as we make videos like this. And everybody be safe. And I'll see you in the next video. Bye.